Welcome to the Landwheel L3-x version 5 unboxing and review. For those who doesn't know, Landwheel is a motor kit where you pick your own skateboard deck and turn it into an electric skateboard. Means you can choose any deck you want like pintails, cruisers or downhill boards and turn it into an electric skateboard. Like me, I like my board to have a kicktail cause I do sharp turns, and also those who already have a longboard or skateboard can just buy this Landwheel and install it to their board. And this is the drive where the main board and motors are located. The replaceable battery. The remote. The external charger. The front trucks and front tires. The replaceable wheels for the hub motors. And then we have a T-tool. Some screws for installation. Some tools, wires for remote, and the truck riser. And of course, they include the manual. Installing the Landwheel to the deck is very easy. Maybe it took me around 10 minutes. The deck I'm using is the Cruiser from the Omen Surfcraft series because I want my board to have a kicktail for sharp turns and I want my board to be small and portable. And this is where Landwheel shine, where you can pick any deck you want according to your riding style. So to turn on the board is very simple. Just press this button and then you can see the light is blinking, and click this button here to turn on the remote. And this is the speed mode change button. The first one is the cruise mode. You can tell it by the gentle sound. And this is the speed mode. Sounds more powerful. The Landwheel is powered by dual hub motors which can go to 45 km/h, has a 10 to 12 km range, but the battery is easily swappable. IP54 water resistance means that you can ride in the rain, and it weighs at 4.7 kg. And this is the acceleration and braking test on the cool wheel. Very smooth braking and very sharp brake too. So now we're gonna test with the Landwheel. And this is the acceleration and braking of the Landwheel. As you can see, both boards are smooth in braking, but in my opinion the brakes on the cool wheel is more sharp. The brake is really smooth, but I think they can add more sharpness to it so that in case of emergency brake and such, the board will stop faster. Moving on to the cons first. As you can see, the tires after a few days of use, it starts to chip. But the chips are minor and they give you 2 spare wheels in case that you need to replace them. And another thing is that the range of the Landwheel is shorter compared to the cool wheel. You only get around 10 to 12 km per battery. Moving on to the pros of the Landwheel. First is it is very fast, like 45 km/h is more than enough. Next is the remote. The remote is very good. This is my favorite remote for now because I really like the slider design. And someone asked me in the comments, how's the controller respond? Is there any delay? No, there is no delay. The acceleration and braking is awesome. In fact, I prefer it over the cool wheel's remote mainly because of the slider. Because the slider gives more room to control the acceleration and braking. And the next advantage of the Landwheel is that it is water resistant. Not like we're gonna ride it in the rain all the time, but just to feel secure in case out of sudden the sky becomes black and it's raining, we will not panic knowing that our board is completely safe. And also the battery is easily swappable. It is very light and compact, so you can spare like 2 to 3 batteries in your small backpack. And according to AirAsia, the maximum watt hour for battery is 160, and for Landwheel it is just 115 watt hour, means that the Landwheel should be able to fly. But one thing to note is that you must check in the board, and for the battery you just hand carry and bring it with you. And of course, the biggest advantage of Landwheel is that the ability to pick any deck you want, whether you want pintail, cruisers, downhill boards, is up to your taste, so that you can have a comfortable ride in your style. And finally, the question that most people ask is, what is the price of the Landwheel? So if you check the price on their website or on the Amazon, you can see that the price is at $750, which if you convert to ringgit, it will be 3,000 ringgit. But no worries, I'm offering you guys a very special discount here. I'm offering at 1,899 for the first few units, so make sure that you grab it while offer lasts. And if you're interested, PM me on my Facebook page or my WhatsApp number, which I will link down below. Thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate if you like and share the video. It really helps me a lot. Thanks again. Electric Skateboard Malaysia signing out.